I'm here at JK Hair today. I believe they're the best in the business. My hair started to thin a couple of years ago and it's got really kind of bad the last couple of years. So I'm excited to see how this is going to go. So come on, let's do this. Genuinely amazing. So I'm just finished with Jamie and this is the finished style. And when I say I'm happy, it's an understatement. I actually can't believe it. I haven't stopped smiling since it happened and I'm so grateful and so thankful for what Jamie's done. This is the end style and I'm genuinely so happy and delighted. I'm absolutely thrilled. So thank you, Jamie.